Hi friend, I hope all may be sweet friend, good all and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy friend. First of all, thank you so much for watching this video and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this support. Can you tell the friend? In this video, providing you gorgeous and trendy amazing crochet ideas. So please don't skip this video much. Please start to end because all of these designs are so stylish and so unique. I hope you all have this type beautiful because it's totally handmade amazing collection. So to apply Cardigan and apply for you, so I will share this video with your family and friends who want this type of beautiful crochet ideas. I really hope that you will lovely this amazing collection. You know that different people have different choice and I love this color. Thank you my lovely friends for watching this video. For those people who have beautiful pink elastic pink. This is an amazing collection for simple